With the doorbell rang, the daughter's here, and she said, Lou.
As you recall, I had been praying for a sign with regard to my mother, and I was asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for a very specific sign, that my mother, if her heart was ready to hear the truth, let the sign be for her to come to me and to ask me. At 7 o'clock in the morning, my mother came to me waking me up from sleep and asking me 2 specific questions.
Yeah, I came to my daughter and asked her 2 questions.
She said, I'm so sorry to disturb you, but I just have to ask you 2 things. And I said, well, go ahead, Mom, what is it? And she said to me, are you still a Christian? And what do you think about what the Christians teach regarding the Trinity? Then I introduced Islam to my mother, the Quran, and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And my mother reached over on the table, she picked up the Quran, she kissed it, and she held it to her cheek, and she said, why hasn't anyone told us about this?
Why hasn't anyone told us about this?